Is it working? Is it going? I think it is. It's a miracle. Alright. I'm making, this is really bright. It's from the window. Making spinning target for shooting with a gun. So I ain't got no clue really what I'm doing at all. So I'm gonna find some stuff and then I'm gonna get back to you and I'll show you the stuff I have to make it. And then we're gonna weld it and then we're gonna shoot at it. That's the plan. If it's not executed properly, then it failed. And failure is not the option, but it is an option. I don't know what I'm trying to say here. Yeah, so I'm gonna find the stuff. See you in like 3 seconds. Boom, we're back again for just a second. So, right now, I collected up the part that's gonna be the spin part, and then I'm making the two side frames, and I'm gonna use a torch. So I can light this right now. Ready? I'm gonna cut some steel, and then once that, we'll weld. I'll show you when we're done cutting. Alright, so this is the piece I put together. It's a piece of pipe and a bolt, or a piece of all thread actually is what it is. And we are going to Alright, we're going to, hang on, I need my welding glove. We're going to take this and weld it to these on both sides, and that'll be the frame of our actual spinner target. So, if you haven't ever welded, here's how it works in a basic premise. Is you, hang on, let me find a better, no great camera angle is there, but so there's this piece right here, this clamp, and that is one side of it, and then there is another side which is this, and when you arc them together there is a big flash mostly, and if you don't have a welding helmet you can't really see it all. Alright, so I'm using 6013, you can't see that, but 6013 welding rod to weld this together. Let's do some welding. First I like to tack it usually. Now that's just temporarily on there for a second while I get a better weld on the back. It's not going anywhere, which is what we want, right? But anyway, that's hot. You gotta be careful because this stuff's hot sometimes. But now before we put this half on, I actually need to put on the actual parts that are going to be spinning. I haven't welded on the actual spinners themselves yet, but the actual parts that are going to be spinning need to go on there. Once those are on there, we're going to put this in the vise and let that stay up actually. But once that's in there like so, take this, tack weld this on here, and the beginnings of our spinner target are there. Now, I'm not the best welder in the world, but for jobs like this where it just needs to stay together, I can do that. Ain't no professional, but I can get her done. Now, you guys want to see this? We have those both spin. Now, technically, I could have done this with some smaller steel on these side pieces, so then we could have, or even stakes, so I could have stuck it in the ground. But I'm going to use other pieces of steel, and we're going to create a flat surface on the bottom of it, so it can just be set on the ground and shot at. Yeah. Pretty interesting, right? I don't know what I'm trying to... But that's what we're doing. Let me grab the other pieces. Alright, so I got the pieces over here. Just some flat pieces to weld onto here to make like a little stand. So, let us see. I think I'm going to do one this way and then one down. Let's see what we can do. Now, I did make some little elbow pieces, but I don't know, one, if they're going to fit on there, two, if they're even going to be necessary, because looking at this, they don't even fit on there, so I ain't even going to worry. We ain't gonna worry about that. No, not that tall, not that tall. This is some of the ugliest welding I've ever done. Probably should have cleaned the steel a little bit better before I started this. Just seeing this because I know that dirty steel, even though this is a dirty steel rod, it just probably would have fared better if I cleaned it a little bit. Gosh darn strings! Alright, now for the fun part, putting the actual spinners on. I made just two little, this one and then I have a littler one. Just going to weld them on there well as I can, making two spinners. Yikes, this is hot, you know? Alright, I can't hold that. It's burning my hand, even in the glove. Let me find a pair of pliers or something here. We'll see what we can get. Where's the light? See what we can get done. Oh, here we go. Here's something. Hang on. This is a more difficult process than it looks, huh? Go to build something, there's always some sort of hiccups. But there's the fun in building something. There we go. Got a better grip on it now. There we go. Look at that. It spins. Here's the other one. This one's a... Can't even get a hold of this one. But there we go. See, this one's a little bit... This one's a little bit smaller compared to the other one. I'll show you side by side here in like 10 seconds, so hang on. And there we go. Alright. There we go. Look at that. Spinner target. That wasn't so hard, was it? I mean, still hard. However, it is still very hot. So, I'm going to grab onto it with the welding glove. Pray it doesn't burn through my glove all the way, even though it's really hot. I think I'm going to go... Oh man, it's burning through the glove. Good night. It's hot. Holy crap, I can't hold on to it. It's like playing who has the hot potato. Gonna set it down in some water here. And you can't see it. But hang on. There it is. It's usually not a good sign when it's bubbling like that. I know that technically one of the better ways to get it hardened is actually just let it dry by itself for a while. But you know, I ain't that patient. I don't know many people who are. Water quenching is the way to go if you're a busy person like myself. You know, as busy as I am. I'm ever so busy. I just have to get things done as quickly as possible. But we're gonna go put this out here and get the 22 and hang on, we'll shoot at it a little bit. Alright, so I don't know if you can, hang on, I don't know if you guys can see it, but right there is the spinning target. Let me see if I can do this with both hands. So I have the 22 here, and I can't find it. Let's see if we can look through the scope here. Oh yeah. Performance. This is totally here. Oh man, we can use the iron sights. I use the iron sights. How's that? Trying to shoot the gun and video at the same time is very hard. Very hard indeed. Oh man. I can't do it. I don't think it's possible. Nope, it's not possible. Never mind that. I was going to try and look through the scope and get you a view, but you see the spinning target there? And let's see if we can hit the little one. Oh, I'm out. But yeah. Let's go see what we hit. I had already shot before, but just giving you a little see. So that's a spinner target right there. They spin. That weld's breaking already. I'm gonna have to re-weld that, I think. But yeah, this is my spinner target. Fairly accurate. I hit in the middle there a couple times. Yeah. So that's what I've been up to. Made a spinner target today. That's pretty awesome. Beautiful day. Well, I'll let you guys have your day. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good day.